Hello guys, it's your boy Lee here again. So today we're actually doing something a bit special. We're actually trying to make an SOS Blinking LED by using Arduino. So in this case, I'll be using one Arduino Uno if not what else I'm going to use, right? Next, we'll be using two jumper wires. My one is black and yellow. And we also need an 220 ohm resistors, as you can see. And I'm actually using one LED as well. It's a green one, yeah. And don't forget about the breadboard, the most important thing. So now, for the circuit construction, I'm using step by step with all of you guys. So first, take your Arduino Uno, slam it on the table. Next, take a breadboard, slam it as well on the table as hard as you can. Then take two jumper wires. And first one, you actually plug it into one of the holes in the Arduino. In this case, I'm actually plugging in into the hole of 12. And don't forget about the end of the breadboard as well. Same as well for the black wire, just shove it in. For the Arduino part, just plug into the ground. Next, take the 220 ohm resistors and shove it into the breadboard. The other end, leave it to another hole, open it up, and take the LED. From the end of the resistors, plug it in and shove it at the ground side of the black wire. Means it's actually connected lah. Alright, the coding part, man. First, you just open up your PC and then double click the Arduino application. Just like that. Wait for it to load.
A few moments later.
Alright, over here I'll be explaining about the coding that I write. So first of all, have a look at the coding. Quite long, right? I know. Took me a few moments to write this thing. Next, let me explain. So the first part that I highlighted is actually represents the F, 3 quick blink, then followed by 100 milliseconds delay, and then it's actually followed by the 3 quick but not so quick blink that represents an O. Then followed again 100 milliseconds delay. Then lastly, we're actually doing the last S. Same as well, just copy and paste the upper part. Then we just delay the system for 5 seconds. Then the whole thing will repeat again. After you finish this part, verify it and see if you get any error or not. If not, you can just straight upload it in your Arduino Uno.
2,000 years later.
So for the second option, it's actually very different from the first coding. So in this case, I'm actually using a for loop. As you can see over the code, first of all, I initial x equals to 0. If x is actually smaller than 3, x will increase to 3. Very simple, right? In that case, our LED will actually blink 3 times. Depends on the delay that you put. So the first part over here is actually represents the first S, followed by the O, and then towards the end, S again. Then delay for another 5 seconds. Yeah, that's about it lah for the for loop. Pretty simple. After you verify the coding, and just connect your Arduino to the PC and upload it to your Arduino board. And after you upload to your Arduino board, the result is something like this. So your first LED will blink 3 times very quickly, followed by the 3 slow blink, plus another 3 quick blink, and you actually delay for 5 seconds, then you'll start to blink again. Alright, that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. And have a great day.